na president ya gutigirira ati mwana kihonia gya gutigirira ati mirungano riratabania guothe bururi yakorwo ikihorohio itemini ria kana itemini ria ke gukorwo makiunanira njung'wa na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio ya kidi ni matariria ati ni mathiete na mbere na kuoneka kana kuona wanangiki wa indo na uthukagia wa indo cia muingi makiuga ati undu uyu ru gucokerera muingi kuona ati hindi uthukagia ta uyu wa muingi rutaga makihũthĩra kuriha nimoritie President William Ruto gwetha kihonia gya gutigirira undu uyu ni wakorwo kihorerio riri ngwataniro ino ya Azimio yugite ati kwanjĩrĩria muthenya wa gatatu kiumia giukite kana muthenya wa Wednesday kiumia giukite ni makorwo magicokereria mitaratara-ini ya gukuthi na mbere na mirurungano.
The team urged the President to heed the cry of the common man and address the imminent issues affecting the country at the moment. The team has condemned the brutal killing of innocent Kenyans by the government. They wonder why the police are using more force on people who are not armed. The police must observe the law and adhere to it. Demonstrations are enshrined in the Kenyan Constitution, and the Constitution says under the Article 37 of Kenya's 2010 Constitution, every person has the right, peaceable and unarmed, to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and present petitions to public authorities.
In Kenya today, life is very unbearable, and we just tell to the President and the leadership of the country to take heed, to hear the calls of Kenyans who are really suffering, so that they can sit down with all stakeholders and see how the cost of living can be reduced. During the campaigns, the President pledged to reduce the cost of basic commodities like fuel, electricity, and many other things. But immediately he was sworn in, we are seeing the basic commodities increasing day after day. The President should come out and do something because Kenyans are suffering, and this is the concern of the church.
Wakati kama huu tunaona jinsi maisha imekuwa ngumu katika nchi yetu. Maafa imekuwa mingi katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Watu wanauawa wasipokuwa na hatia. Kwa hivyo sisi kama wakina mama tunaomba rais wetu aweze akae chini na wale ambayo wanaweza kukaa pamoja ili Kenya wetu iweze ikaendelea mbele.
Toshokereria aikari a gicigo gia Kangai tangu